Hi, in this video I'll show you conditional formatting in Excel. Here I'm going to show you 4 options. So starting with the greater than or less than options, I have written some random numbers here, you can see. So there are around 10 numbers, and after selecting that, Excel will automatically show you some average sum and how many counting how many numbers are there or counts there. And so to select the data, you can select the numbers in the home tab and select the numbers by dragging till the last one, or you can select by Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. Then go to the conditional formatting option, use greater than options, and select the greater than options. Here I have typed 80, then selecting color, clicking OK. Excel will highlight the numbers greater than the 80. For less than, do the same. Excel highlights smaller numbers as well. Now the next is highlight numbers above average. So I have some random numbers, and selecting the numbers, go to the conditional option in the same home tab, top or bottom rows, and choose above average from the rows. Excel will highlight all values greater than average. So you can see the numbers are greener, the above average numbers of those values we have here. Next, selecting the odd or even numbers from a data set. I have again some random numbers I have written for your, so selecting by Control A the table, and go to the home tab again and conditional formatting, new row, and from here we have several numbers, several options or rows. I am going to use a formula option, and here I am going to type equal, is, odd, which are all in capital letters. Is that in bracket I will use the A and 2 because my column is A and the data numbers started from 2. So again, using the format and options, after clicking OK, you can see Excel highlights them instantly. And next, the specific data. To highlight a specific text or numbers or row, I have written some data here: name, salary, salary, country, and the quarter. So after selecting the data, go to the conditional formatting and new row, and again, if I use another option, it will select a specific cell. So I'm going to use formula option, the last one, and here I'm going to write equal $sign D, because not C, it's D, because my column is D. I'm going to use a specific country to select a specific row. So here my data is starting from row 3 and column is D. So D3 equals in the column in the column we'll use USA. Writing USA, and the format to give a color, I have to format to give a color. I have selected the green one and click OK. Well, there's a problem. I think I have written something wrong here. Well, not double equal, it will be a single equal. So after deleting one equal, you can see now the Excel highlights only those matching rows. That's all. Simple ways to use conditional formatting in Excel. Please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Thank you for watching.